Hello there everybody and welcome back. I'm Daniel, can rock a midsummer flannel Valvo. Now last week we talked about adding and subtracting fractions, but this week we're going to step it up and talk about multiplying and dividing fractions. But actually it's way easier, trust me, you'll see. Let's get started. First up, multiplying fractions. Let's say we want to multiply 3/5 and 4/7. So unlike when we added and subtracted, when we multiply fractions, we don't care about the denominators being the same or not. Any two fractions, regardless of their denominators, can be multiplied using these easy steps. Step 1. Multiply their numerators. So here we get 4 times 3, which equals 12. Step 2. Multiply their denominators. So here we get 5 times 7, which equals 35. Now sometimes when we multiply fractions, we might see that one